Hello everyone, welcome to the Stock Martin channel. I am back in Houston, Texas. We are visiting my mother-in-law. Just did want to give everybody a shout out, tell you a big hello. I did also just want to briefly tell you about my top 3 EV stocks. We will be talking about this and more. Before we get down into it and get started, give me that thumbs up, the like button. It'll keep me alive on YouTube. If you are new to the channel, if you are new to the page, hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you. Hit that notification bell so you can get all my videos. Also, I do have links down below. Right now, Moomoo is running the best promotion out there. If you use my link down below, you will get a free stock just for opening an account valued up to $3,500. Deposit any amount of money, 50 cents, $1. You'll definitely get free stocks as well, each valued up to $3,500. If you deposit up to $2,000 or more, you will get an extra 3 additional stocks, each valued $3,500. This gives you a total of $17,500 potentially to get. So please take advantage of that, as these promotions will not last long. Now, I did want to tell you about my three favorite EV stocks. The first one, in no particular order, is NIO. NIO has been sold off and is right under that $40 mark. It has been low, but just recently, NIO did have a buyback. NIO has been selling its own stock to raise a lot of revenue. They have raised $2 billion, which is a huge amount of revenue for this company to get moving and to push forward. Remember that NIO did go into the European Union through NIO Norway. They are doing quite well with their sales there, and I do believe that they are the future in the Asian market, and definitely they will do good in the European market as well, as these are the two biggest markets of electric vehicles in the world. That being said, NIO also is very important as a company because it has a lot of technology with it. They are the only company out there that has the battery swap stations, which does allow you to change out a fresh battery for a brand new one. I do definitely think that this is great technology and it's very innovative. So it will definitely disrupt that EV technology. So I am really bullish on NIO. But NIO's stock price right now is at $38. So this is a great entry price into this stock. I do definitely think that NIO has one of the best chances of increasing your money at this time. The only downside I do see about NIO is it is a Chinese-based company. With Chinese regulations and with a lot of the downward pressure with China just recently, this stock has taken a huge hit. But I definitely think that in the future, NIO will dominate. It will do good in the Asian market, and I do think that they will do quite well in the European market. In the future, they are looking to come to America as well. Until that time comes, I definitely think that this is a very nice, valuable stock to get into. In my personal opinion, I do think that this stock should be worth about $60, and right now you are getting it at a bargain at $38 a share. That being said, let me transfer to my second most favorite stock. That would be Tesla. Tesla's stock just this past week did dip down right below $1,000. If you can get this stock under $1,000 and hold this stock long term, by long term, I mean more than 1 year, if not 2 years. But by the year 2025, this stock will be worth, in my opinion, close to $3,000 on the average, up to $4,000 if it's a very nice bull market. The worst case scenario is that this stock will, in the next few years, be as low as about $2,000, which is still a huge increase in your money if you buy it at this time, especially if you can get Tesla stock under $1,000 a share. Now, I did want to just talk to you about Tesla. It is a very nice company, but they are having a lot of products coming out there. The Tesla Cybertruck will be coming out next year. Also, we do have the Gigafactory in Berlin just did open in the European market. They will be making a lot of vehicles there. In addition to this, you are going to have that Gigafactory in Austin, Texas, that will be producing the Cybertruck, the Model Y, the Model 3, and the semi-truck. So again, a lot of big products coming out there from Tesla, and I think that this company is going to do quite well in the future. I have also been mentioning that Tesla is one of my favorite EV charging stocks because in the future they are going to be opening their infrastructure, their charging system, to allow other EV users to charge on their system, of course, for a premium. this does have a potential to generate up to $21 to $25 billion per year just to allow other electric vehicles to charge on their infrastructure system. So very big thing, very big news to come out for Tesla. I definitely think that this stock is still a bargain under that $1,000 per share if you can get it that low as we did this past week. The third and most important stock that I do think that is going to be great in the future is Lucid Motors. I have been very bullish on Lucid Motors, and it is one of my favorite stocks, but the reason is its technology. I have been talking about this. I should do a video about its technology. Let me know down in the comments below if you would like one of these. But they do have the best technology out there, and I'm not just talking about its battery. Its battery system is one of the best in the world, if not the best. They did get a lot of engineering awards for this battery type, as it is the most efficient battery. It does make up to 520-mile range on one electric charge of battery life. But this company is going to be a monster in the future because they are going to use that technology in other vehicles that they will be making. They will also be entrepreneuring and selling this to other companies. But right now, when you do look at its miniaturization of its electric motor inverter charging system, they have hands down the best system out there. Whenever you look at its electric motor and look at the weight, it is the most lightweight. One of its electric motors weighs 160 pounds, and it can generate up to 3.6 horsepower per kilogram weight, which is a lot better and, most importantly, a lot more efficient than any other electric vehicle out there. It is 30% more efficient than the Tesla motor. Right now, the motor that is in the Lucid Air is about 30% less weight, more efficient than the Tesla Model 3 motor. And I'll definitely make a video on this if you are interested, explaining its technology, as it has the best, which in the future, if you do mass produce it, and I do believe that Lucid will be using this to make other smaller, less expensive vehicles, well, they can get a lot more efficiency out of this vehicle. They can get up to 6 miles per kilowatt hour. Right now, Lucid Motors has the best efficiency out there at 4.5 miles per kilowatt hour, beating out and Tesla. Tesla is a close behind. Then you have the Jaguar I-Pace. It does have 2.6 miles per kilowatt hour. Then you have the Germans at 2.5 miles per kilowatt hour. And lastly, you do have Rivian at 2.2 miles per kilowatt hour. So you can definitely see that you definitely want an energy efficient vehicle, but you don't want it to be a electron guzzler. You don't want it to eat up a lot of electrons. You don't want to be charging it all the time because that is a lot of money, and we definitely want to have the most efficient vehicle out there. But all these stocks are very good in my opinion. I did just want to briefly talk about Rivian. I do definitely think this is one of the best companies. I have been watching its stock. Its stock started off at its initial public offering at $78. It went all the way up to $172. You had a lot of people just taking profits. It went down to about $126. I have been watching this, and I do think in the next maybe 1 or 2 weeks, I will maybe put in a position. But right now, if I can get this stock, in my opinion, it's worth under $80. But right now, the retail investors, there's still that EV frenzy out there. Now that we've had that infrastructure bill that did pass, there might be some more EV frenzies. So we'll definitely have to keep this updated. I am being patient on Rivian, and I'm not going to jump quite in until I can get a very nice price on this stock. Now, a lot of people have commented, what's some good buy points? Let me just run these down real quick. NIO, if you can get NIO under $40, you're getting a good deal. But if you can get this under $36, you are getting a steal of a deal, again, in my opinion. Tesla Motors stock. Tesla Motors, if you can get Tesla stock under $1,000, you are getting a great, great deal. If you can get it at $950 or less, you're getting a steal of a deal, again, in my opinion. Lucid Motors stock is a little bit of a tough one because it has had a very big run-up. But if you can get this stock right now, according to the charts and in the past, 1 month trading, if you can get this stock under $43, you are getting a very good deal in this stock. But I definitely think if you can get it under $40, you are getting a steal of a deal at these price points. And Rivian, I did just want to mention that one out there. If you can get this stock under $125, you are still getting a fairly good deal looking at how it's been trading. But I definitely think that there will be some more volatility in this stock that could push down the price. But I am looking at getting a price in this. If I could, under $80 would be great, is what I think it's valued. Will it go down this low? Right now, it doesn't look like it. Under 125, you're getting a good deal. But again, this is so volatile, guys. It can go up, down. And I definitely don't want a lot of people to get burned out there. So please let the hype die down before you purchase any of these stocks. Always do your own research before purchasing this or any other stock. But anyway, I did just want to just do one last thing. Give me that thumbs up, the like button if you did like this video. Join the community, hit that subscribe button, notification bell, hit all. Also, please take advantage of my Moo links down below. You can get free stocks. Take advantage of that. It won't last long. Just for opening an account, you get $3,500 stock up to that amount. Deposit any amount of money. And please don't forget to deposit money. Even if you have gone and opened an account, put in some money. It really will help you get that extra stock. You can put in $1, you get an additional free stock valued up to $3,500. And if you would like to put up to $2,000 or more, then you will get more stocks in trading. But again, thank you so much for watching. I can't wait to talk to you on the next one. Have a great weekend. And thank you so much for all your support and for growing this channel. We'll talk to you on the next one. Thank you. Bye.